Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news, there is a great news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has started sending the joining letters even for 2026 batch also. So 2024 batch, 2025 batch, 2026 batch. So they have started getting the joining letter also. Friends, see, I do not, always want to tell how many student is selected from Online Study for You. Okay, what all happened. See, I do to some extent putting in the community page and all, but right now you can see TCS Selected Candidates Online Study for You. So already we have a group and 531 student has told till now that they have got selected this year TCS exams, right? Okay, and we created a group and we are helping them in all BGC process. Friends, see, one thing is there, right? I conducted the online classes for free. There was paid courses also were there, but lot of live classes we did. Now also we are helping a student. So even I request others also, helping a student, right, is required now, because after getting the result, now they should know what all document they should fill, how they should fill, right? So all those things they should know. So at some moment we have to come forward and help the student, right? And see, the classes and all you might have seen, right? So if you'll go to the live classes, you might have seen how many classes we had conducted. Nobody had done that. Okay, so nobody had done that, and that to see last minute TCS aptitude 1, 2, and you guys had given a lot of love. Okay, I know. Okay, so whatever the videos were there, very good views. Okay, so I will say, so whatever the complicated topic, simple topic, verbal ability, right? So whatever was possible in different languages, right? So during your exam, mock test, aptitude mock test, okay, so we had done that, verbal ability, coding, okay, so all aspects TCS 2025 questions, and I know from here it had started and lot many things we had done, and that is the reason today we are seeing that many results. Okay, that is the only reason, not anything else. Okay, so which you could see, and again here, so this is right, so 530 members, and now the one who has got joining in Bangalore, so we have started adding them. You see today created at 1:51 p.m. and now we are going to start them for the joining mails, joining letters. Okay, so here you see, welcome to this. So this is for the particular 2026 batch. Okay, 2026 batch, because 2024 and 2025 you already know. So because 2026 is little strange, because we all were thinking that the joining will come later, but now they have started sending yesterday only the joining mail. So TCS Confidential, dear candidate, a warm welcome to the Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Thank you and your loved ones are keeping safe. This mail is with reference to the TCS joining letter. So TCS joining letter, right, released. So joining letter, when it came, so joining letter came on 7th of May. Okay, I mean 7th of May joining is there, and offer letter when it came, sir, 11th of April, right? So this mail is with reference to the TCS joining letter released to you on 11th of April. So on 11th of April, right? Okay, you can download your joining letter annexure and other relevant documents from nextstep. Okay, ILP corner, please use your DT reference ID and password. So this is for the batch of 2026, 2025, 2024. Now there will be lot of questions will be there in your mind. Sir, my 8th semester is not completed, 7th semester is completed, how to upload the document, how to join, lot of queries, and that is the reason I released one video. Okay, one video here. You could see this TCS BGC, and in that only there is a form link is there. So if you are selected and got offer letter, then, and if you are a student of Online Study for You or Online Study for You video has helped, then you join that group, WhatsApp group, and there you will be getting all your queries resolved. This particular link, form link, will be again part of this particular video. Okay, so particular part of this video that will be there, don't worry about it. So from there also you can join, but most of the information I have covered, and whatever information is not covered, so that is anyway, you are welcome. Join Online Study for You TCS Selected Candidate. Okay, the numbers are increasing and it will increase, because we always have given lot of selections and that we will keep doing it. But now our intention is to help a student Okay, so your BGC documentation, fill BGC form, submit it. After that you will go to the document, whatever documents you have, you fill it. Okay, what happens during your joining? Other document, you have NCA, you have medical certificate. Lot of questions are there which we are trying to solve. So already in this group, if you can see, group created by Indian Institute on Friday only we created the group. So already all these documents, see, you will be needing the documents, right? So I'll show you what all documents will be required for you. So you need birth affidavit, you need gap affidavit, you need service agreement, you need NCA. Okay, so you need medical certificate. So all of these documents also we will be providing it to you. Okay, so that is not a problem at all. Okay, so that's all, friends, I wanted to tell you. So now please gear up and plan to leave or plan to resign if you are in some company, but you have to plan it very properly. Okay, and we are helping you in all possible ways. Thank you. And you also help someone who is needed actually. See, friends, I'm telling you, if you will help others, God will help you. That is what you have to keep in mind. And I'm telling you, till you're joining, definitely we will be there with you. And after you're joining, you have to be there with us. Last year, you see, all these TCS employees are going to help you. So in the group which I have created, TCS employees are also there, because see, the thing is, I am not inside TCS, right? So I have limited information. So I brought them in the groups so that they will help you. These are all selected in TCS for different roles. Okay, digital, prime, ninja. So they will be helping you out and you will definitely be very much benefited. Thank you. Take care. All the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.